Hey there, folks. If you're watching this, you've probably just realized your vehicle registration sticker is nowhere to be found, and you're in Texas. Don't panic. I'm here to walk you through the process of getting a replacement, step by step. It's a straightforward procedure that can save you from potential fines or headaches on the road. First things first, why does this matter? Your registration sticker proves your vehicle is legally registered, and driving without it can lead to tickets. So, let's get you sorted out quickly. Start by confirming the sticker is truly lost. Check your glove compartment, under seats, or anywhere it might have slipped. Once you're sure, head over to the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) website or visit a local office. The replacement process has a few simple steps. Step 1. Gather your essentials. You'll need your vehicle identification number, VIN, which is usually on your insurance card or the vehicle's dashboard, along with a valid ID like your driver's license. If your vehicle is registered in your name, that should suffice. Step 2. Decide how to apply. The easiest way is online through the Texas DMV portal. Just log in, fill out the replacement form, and pay the fee, which is typically around $2 to $5 depending on your county. If you prefer in person, visit your nearest county tax office, they'll guide you through it. For mail-in options, download the form from the DMV site and send it with the required documents. After submitting, processing usually takes about 7 to 10 business days for online or in-person applications, so plan accordingly. Once you receive your new sticker, make sure to affix it properly to your license plate, usually in the same spot as the original. And remember, if your registration is expired, you might need to renew it first, so double-check that on the DMV site. There you have it. Replacing a lost sticker doesn't have to be a big ordeal. Always keep an eye on important documents, and if you have any questions, the Texas DMV has helpful resources online. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips. Drive safe out there.